Namaste friends, welcome back to pavitechzone. This is the part 2 of our series Android development. In this video, we will see how to download Android Studio for Windows. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. And don't miss to subscribe my channel to get the notification related to Android development. So let's get started. So first we will see the basic requirements needed to run the Android Studio in your device. So here are some basic requirements you need to look after. First one, you need to have Windows or Mac or Linux operating system in your device and minimum 4 GB of RAM. Recommended is 8 for the fluent working of Android Studio, but if you have 4 GB it is well and good, and at least 4 GB of free hard disk space and 1280x720 screen resolution, and you must have the real Android phone. Check the properties of your device. If all the requirements satisfies, then move to the next step. Next step is installation process. We need to download Java JDK and Android Studio. Java JDK is optional, but recommended is to have the separate JDK file in your system, and we will download the latest version of Android Studio. First we will begin with Java JDK. First open your browser and search for Java JDK and go to the first link. I will provide this link in the description. And scroll down. Here you have the JDK file for Linux, Mac operating system and Windows. So we will download it for Windows. You have compressed version and installer version. So I will go with installer version. Here as you can see, the download has started. We will wait few seconds. Download has been completed. And open it in the folder. And double click on it. Click S. So the setup process has been started. You need to follow certain instructions. Click on next. Next. The setup process has been started. We will wait for a few seconds. So it has been successfully installed. So click on close. Now we will see whether we have installed the JDK file successfully or not. For that, open the search box and type cmd. Here you need to give Java version. As you can see, could not open. For this, we need to set the path for the Java JDK file. Close the window. Go to this PC and open the programming files in the Windows C. And here, go to Java. Open the JDK file. Go to bin. And copy this path. And open the search box and type for control panel. And here go to system and security Here go to System, next click on Advanced System Settings. In this window, click on Environment Variables. Next, click on New and set the variable name. We will give it as path and pass the link. Click on OK and next click on OK and OK. So now we will see whether we have successfully set the JDK file path or not. Open the CMD and give Java version. So as you can see, Java with its version and the date has been shown. Close the window. And the next step is to install the Android Studio. So open your browser, search for Android Studio. Click on the first link. So here you can see all the new features added to the present version of the Android Studio. And you can easily download the Android Studio. And if you want Android Studio for Mac or Linux, you can scroll down here. As you can see, Windows, Mac, Linux you can install for your system. Now we are dealing with the Windows, so I will go with Windows. So click on download. You will get the terms and conditions related to Android Studio. Read it once and click on I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. Click on download. As you can see, the download has been started. We will wait for few seconds. So as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded. Click on open in folder. Double click. Click on yes. So the setup process has been started. You need to follow the instruction. Click on next. Keep these both checkbox clicked and click on next. And you can keep the path of the Android Studio default or you can change it as you want. Click on next and click on install. As you can see, the installation process has been started. It has been successfully installed. Click on finish. Click on next. And here as you can see the total size of the Android Studio and the available disk space in your device. So we have the enough space, so click on next. And these are some supporting files for the Android Studio SDK components. So click on next. So here you need to accept the terms and conditions of the Android Studio. So click on accept, finish, and it started downloading. We will wait for a few seconds. Click on finish. So as you can see, the Android Studio has been successfully launched with our latest version. Here it will show you all the previous files which we have created, and now we will begin with the new project. So click on new project, and here you will be given with the pre-designed templates. You can use them for your development. So first we will begin with the empty activity. So click on empty views activity, click on next, and here you need to pass the name of your project. So first we will give it as Hello World app. And in the package name you must provide the unique name for your project. So while uploading your project to the Play Store, you may get some problems related to package name. So you change it now itself. If in your device it is displaying as example, so change it to your unique name, as I have changed my from example to pavitechzone. So make sure that you have changed this to your unique name. And next, set the location for your project. So we will go with by default, and we have the languages Java and Kotlin. We will go with Java, and the minimum SDK support you can choose it as you want. So we have 97.4% of devices where our project will run fluently. So keep the rest of things default and click on finish. So as you can see, the installation process started. So it has completed. Click on finish. So the window of Android Studio has been successfully launched. It will take certain time to get launched fully. So here it will be given with what all the details added in the new version. And we have two queries in the queue running in the background. So we will wait for a few seconds. It get completely launched. It will take as much as time according to your PC supporting environment. It may take sometimes 10 to 15 minutes. If your computer configuration is high, so it can be completed within a seconds. So as you can see, we have successfully installed the Android Studio in your Windows operating system. So this was all about today's video. If you are happy with the video, please give like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.